Ishan talks about three brothers. It's Ravi, Vijay, and DCP Shiv Kumar, who is Sunil Dutt. And Shiv Kumar was a righteous cop, and he was called by Shakal, who was the notorious guy, and he was involved in a lot of black marketing, smuggling, etc., etc. And he was cheated in the sense one of the guys of Shakal, he gave a call. It was a fake call saying that his life is in danger. So he went for the mission, and there he was killed by Shakal. And there was an island where he used to stay that has been shot in a very beautiful way. And here, on the other hand, Ravi and Vijay, they were quite, they were not at all serious about life. They used to loiter around here, there, and Rakhi has enacted the role of Shiv Kumar's wife. So after the death of Shiv Kumar, they were actually affected, and they thought of putting him down, bringing his empire into crumbling his empire. And there were girlfriends as well, Vindhya Goswami for Shashi Kapoor, Ravi, and for Vijay, who was Big B, Praveen Bobby. And they reached the island, and they were able to successfully defeat Shakal. But here Shakal has enacted the role so well. Kulbhushan Kharbanda, I think this is the only movie where he's enacted the role of a notorious guy. He was still bald, and he used to say, he used to keep his hand on his bald forehead. And the way he used to smoke, and he's also wearing high heels, the attire, everything is so apt for the role, and some of the songs are really good. So this movie basically revolves around bringing the empire down, and even few of the things what they have shown, like he never used to touch alcohol, that was quite unbelievable, like Shiv Kumar. And there's also Shatrughan Sinha, who used to shoot like he could hear voice and he could shoot. So his wife were also kidnapped by Shakal since he was employed to kill Shiv Kumar. But since he was a good guy, he purposely used to fake the shots so that he will be saved. But later on, his wife was killed. And then three of them joined together, and they brought the empire down. And it is a really interesting story. First, the way the movie only starts, that's really amazing. So it's a must watch, 5 stars.